Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change Instagram email. Firstly, get up into your profile section. Now if I go edit profile and if I scroll down, if I go on personal information setting. Now here you can add your email address, which we can go and, for example, if you do not remember your, I don't know, phone number or something like that to get login into your email, you can change it from here. You can just type whatever you want, what is your email, and then just go on the save button and type gmail.com or Yahoo, whatever it is. This, no matter what is it, yeah, here. Then you'll need to get that confirmational code that Instagram gonna send to your email. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.